Today I'm going to dive into the proper technique to roll your quads and these hip flexors that are the deeper ones on the inside of your pelvis. So to start with, we're going to get this roller, we're going to start above our knee. We're going to take your other knee to the side, we'll get in a bit of a plank position, so just watch your hips don't sag down too much. Hold this nice aligned position, and we're just going to roll the first third of your leg to begin with. So up and down, as well as going up and down. I want you to take your leg from side to side, and you can do some little kicks as well. So just mix up that different routine, different technique, up and down, side to side, little kicks. Walk back on your arms and roll the roller to the middle third of your leg, and just keep working up your leg in different sections. So section 1, section 2, section 3. Follow those sore spots. Might find some little lumpy, knotted areas. Focus on those as well, and help release these tight quad muscles to fix your lower back.